Today, I am sad and sorrow, not just only for India, but for the whole world. What about our safety government? Another plane crash. This time it happened in Ahmedabad. People were just flying like any other day. Maybe some were going home, some for work, maybe even on a vacation, but the plane never made it. In the last few months, we are hearing too many of these stories. A plane crash here, another one there, and the same question comes again and again. Why is this happening? Aren't pilots well trained? Don't we have modern aircraft with top technology? Isn't flying supposed to be the fastest way to travel? So what's going wrong? Experts say sometimes it's the machine, a small parts fail and a boom. Everything else collapses. Sometimes it's a human error and sometimes nature doesn't help. Bad weather, bird strikes, engine overheating, technical faults. But honestly, in many cases, no one knows exactly. It takes months to find the black box and years to explain what really happened. And this crash is Ahmedabad. Oh my god. The investigation had just started. Some say the plane lost communication, others say it was a technical failure. Some blame poor maintenance, but one thing is clear, my dear. Innocent lives are gone again. And families, you don't even need to ask. Just imagine your son or daughter goes for a trip and never comes back. A mother waits at the airport holding flowers. A father checks his phone again and again for a message that will never come. Heartbreaking. Doesn't even begin to explain it. Now people are asking, if pilots are trained, if countries are spending billions on technology, why are we still seeing plane crashes? Is it the pressure on airline to fly more and save money? Is it low maintenance to cut cost? Or is it just a pure bad luck? The government says they are checking the aircraft more often now. They are reviewing airline companies. Some have even grounded planes. But for the public, it's not enough. People want safety, not just peaceless. And the public opinion. Some say it was the airline fault. Others say it was fate. But almost everyone is now a little scared before they book a flight. So is it the pilot faults? Is it the plane faults? Honestly, it's a mix of everything. A small mistake in the sky can be a big disaster on the ground. In my opinion, planes need to be checked more. Not just once a month, but every single time before flying. Airlines must not save money by saving on safety. And government, they should be stricter, not after the crash, before it. Flying should be feel like flying, not like flipping a coin. If you find this video helpful or it made you think, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Share this video with your friends and family so they know what's really going on. And hey, if you want more eye-opening stories and honestly takes on today's trending issues, subscribe now and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got an opinion on this? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. Stay safe, stay smart, and remember, asking questions saves life.